What up, guys? Back with a new video here. Chilling with my boy Race. What's up?
My channel, what up?
My channel.
Okay, that's just...
Well, we're at a truck meet, I guess. Is this?
I think she's right there.
Anyways, we're here with the cuz. We haven't been vlogging in a while.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Well, we haven't vlogged with the squad.
We haven't been with the squad, I guess. Because we work now, you know, we have lives. So the cut is riding with no tint, that means he's loyal. Check it out.
It was
Beachy see-through.
for the Desert Showdown, but then it got canceled.
Oh yeah, guys, we're supposed to go to an event this weekend, upcoming weekend.
And then we rushed
Desert-
my
Desert Showdown.
and his truck. Well, her truck.
My truck.
Yeah, we're trying to rush it, but
So you guys will see that on the next video that's coming out.
yeah, there you go. You heard the boy. But guess what? Plans are canceled. We're going to Rocky Point. oh, quick update. I sold my hoe. Gave it back to the original owner. So I'm back with the buggy, guys. That's Preston's nightmare.
Glock, baby, with 32 shot Glock, baby. Kept me on the block, baby. What kept me on the block, baby. 32
Because they're going downtown.
But why? No, they're not going downtown.
Yeah, they are. I thought No, they canceled Foothills.
Well, guys,
Yeah, she's like, look, what's the first location? Back of Reed Park, downtown, then Reed Park. Foothills is out. Okay.
okay, my boy doesn't want to go because he doesn't want to waste gas. He
No,
doesn't
no,
wanna-
I didn't want to go to Foothills because there's a sheriff's right next to
Oh
that.
yeah, Sheriff's is bad. Don't go to Foothills, rich side of town.
She said, we're still cruising. We're on our way back to Reed Park.
Okay.
They didn't even go to downtown.
Let's go to Reed Park, guys. That's where we're going next. But other than that,
I didn't put gas.
I got something to do. Welcome, bro. Los gummy worms got. Mira, la mamalona. Algo bien. Quick update, guys. Reed Park. We're on this boat.
Is that a boat?
On the. We're on
the
the
fish bowl.
We're on the fish bowl. Pero no mames, dude. Check it out. Oh, my window is up. Alright, guys, so the plan now is to make a YouTube when I build my truck. So you guys will no longer see me on this channel. Just kidding, guys. It's a vlog. Watch it, Vlog Squad. Ay no más. Otro pedo, loco. But quick update. We'll see you guys in a bit.
32 shot Glock, baby. What 32 shot Glock, baby. Hey, bad ass kid, we'll race with the street like brand new fit. Got a Glock with the G-knife, Fred White tee with a creep pair of Levi, real ass crip. I'll never ever be slime. Fake gang bitch, shit never ever be my kind. You won't love these feet. No conversation, he ain't got a stick.
¿Qué onda,
If
puta?
it's kissing, I'ma shoot my clip. Big
Ahí va,
4-5,
güey, ahí va.
push through a nigga shit. Focus on the money, we ain't beating by the bitch. Yeah, I'm a block baby with a 6. I'm a cheat code, nigga, I'm a glitch. Yeah, throw me in the game and I'm about to get rich. Nigga turn wholesale while them niggas switch. So many times a nigga could've been a lick. I'ma wear a nigga up, leave his whole body drenched. Get me on the block.
¿Qué puta? No trae lenta, güey. Ahí va el otro, ahí va el otro, ahí va el otro. Agua porque te tumban la pintura, loco. Tienes que ponerte la gorra así, güey. Y le tiró todas las piedras, loco. Ay, no más para la coca. Eso sí. Aguas, agua. No tiene hood, si quema. ¡Ey, quémalo! Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. Me va a tirar piedra, loco.
Load up on guns, bring your friends, fun to lose, and to pretend she's overboard, the self-assured. Oh, no, the dirty word.
Quick update, mi raza. We're right here at Garden House. Aquí en La Tusa. Hey, the meat's pretty lit, not gonna lie. Everybody's swinging.
It is, but the spots.
Spots are no good, bro. Hey, check out this cut. Check this cut out. El señor arregla el carro enfrente de la tienda. Le vale verga. ¡Ay! But yeah, mi raza. Stay tuned for the next spot. We'll keep you updated. Our camera did die, but we still got footage. ¿Qué onda, raza? Llegamos al third location, I believe. Fourth, not really.
They skipped
Not
like
really
5 of them, but it's okay.
They skipped. Yeah. The map is not being followed.
Okay, cool guys.
Algo bien. But our cousin over here popped his tire.
Oh, he's right there. What the fuck? I didn't even see him. There's a fucking OBS in the middle.
Damn it, boy. You gonna stop right there? Dude, Daniel goes away from everybody, bro. Where are you going?
Where you going, pretty boy?
Why are you running away from the camera? Okay.
Huh?
Why are you running away from the
Tell him
camera?
what you got. Tell him what's in the engine.
It's a
We're tired of that same saying, okay?
Tell him the truth. Tell him what you really got. That 6.0. Let's see.
He got a 6.2, guys. Cam. Anybody want to race him? He'll say. He says he only races for money. la verga!
House, Tucson, Arizona, thug life, fuck the police.
Damn it, boy.
Boy, the kids, baby,